SAP Business One 10.0 Security Enhancements. We would like to introduce a couple of security enhancements: database instance registration, company database configuration, or the data access. Let's have a look to the first feature, the database instance registration. The current enhancement is affecting only the SAP Business One 10.0 running on Microsoft SQL Server because the Windows authentication was not enabled previously for SAP Business One version for SAP HANA. It is not possible to register a database instance by using the Windows authentication method. The delegation of the Windows authentication to the database authentication was disabled due to security reasons. However, if the upgrade is performed from an older version where the Windows authentication was used, then the upgraded environment would still use the Windows authentication in SAP Business One version 10 as well. On the other hand, it is possible to add a new database only with the database authentication. Let's see the changes on the company database level. The database admin user was removed in SAP Business One version 10, as this is a very high level authorization, and in order to have better security, then the database admin user option is not available anymore for managing the connection on the company database level. The most secured and the recommended option is to specify a database user for each Business One user. The system automatically generates a pair of database users without the administrator privileges for each SAP Business One user. The next chapter is about the changes in the data access. The SAP Business One user session is isolated to the tenant or to customer database. The security enhancement is impacting the following areas: the record set object in the API, the SBO common database access, and the user-defined queries. It is not possible to use the record set object anymore in SAP Business One DI API in order to manipulate with the data from another database. The SBO common database cannot be accessed in either. On the next demo, we would see how the cross-database access is working in SAP Business One version 9.3 and how the behavior had been changed in SAP Business One version 10.0. First of all, we would execute a user-defined query in SAP Business One 9.3 by using the query generator. The query is retrieving the company database name from the current database and from an additional company database restored on the same SAP HANA environment. We would run the same user-defined query in the company database having SAP Business One 10.0. The system definition had been changed and it is not possible to collect additional information from the different company database. Thank you.